Hello guys, my name is Amit Sharma and I would like to welcome you to our channel Easy Tutorial where we share a lot of tutorials regarding web development and digital marketing. So before starting the content for today, I would like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel and for your continuous love and support that you have given me to run this channel. So guys, today I have come up with a very unique content regarding the digital marketing field, so which is ASO. So guys, what is ASO? ASO, basically the full form of ASO is App Store Optimization. So have you, I think it's kind of similar to you what hearing the word optimization. So it's very common in the word SEO, search engine optimization. So what do you do by SEO? SEO, you rank your websites in the Google. You optimize your websites to rank on the top in the Google. So in the same way, ASO means optimizing your app in different app stores. Like there are Google app stores, there are Apple app stores. So basically you optimize your apps in the different play stores. So guys, the concept of SEO and ASO is similar in terms of keywords uses, descriptions, titles. So there are all the concepts comes in ASO as well. So if you are familiar with SEO, I bet you can do the ASO. So being a digital marketer, I guess you have to be thorough with ASO as well. So guys, why ASO? Why ASO is so important? This is why am I talking about ASO? Guys, ASO is very trending these days. As you know, there are increasing number of apps developed every day in the world, and then you will be surprised to know that there are 6,000 apps developed per day in worldwide. If you see that, Google Play Store has approximately around 2.2 million of apps, and then Apple Store might have 2 million apps developed in their app store currently. So guys, with the increasing number of competitions in various category of the apps, like whether it be the games apps, whether it be the photo editing apps, whether it be the date apps, whether it be the professional business apps. So guys, the competition is very increasing in a very rapid manner. So you have to make sure that your app also ranks in the different app stores. It's not like you just develop your apps and then you can just show your visibility. Without ASO, the visibility of the app will not be increased. So guys, ASO plays a very important role in terms of ranking the apps, in terms of reaching your app to the right targeted audience. So guys, you should make sure that your app has been optimized in a very well manner and in a very using all those techniques and strategies of ASO, which now creates the platform for digital marketers as well. So being a digital marketer, you should not limit yourself only within the platform of SEO, SMO, but even ASO creates you a very wide platform where you can develop your skills in order to optimize the different apps available in the world. So guys, I hope you got a little bit of blurry idea about what ASO is about. But no worries guys, I will explain you detail in the screen later what actually ASO is about. I will go manually through all the apps and I will be showing you in my screen. So guys, but before jumping into the screen, I would like to make sure that you know what are the basic requirement that an ASO requires. Like what are the key facts, what are the key terms, what are the key factors that you should know before starting an ASO. So the key factors should be same: title, description. As you guys know, even title and descriptions are very common while doing an SEO. Besides that, app needs app screenshots, app reviews, your number of downloads of your app engagements, and last but not the least, keywords. Guys, keywords, yes, keywords also plays a very important role while doing your ASO, app store optimization. So guys, keywords also should be placed in your titles, descriptions in the same manner as you place in the SEO. So guys, I will make you more clear through my screen. So let's jump into my screen. So guys, in the screen, as you can see, I'm in the interface of Amazon app in Google Play Store. So you can see this is the title of the app, Amazon online paying instrument. This is the company's name, and this is the category. As I told you earlier, the importance of categories. See, this is the shopping categories. And then besides that, you can see the total number of reviews. Reviews also matters in your optimization. So this is the total number of reviews, and there are the images, as I explained about images. So you can see there are various images of apps, and then this images plays a very important role, as normally people come to your app, and if they don't see the image attractive, they might just leave your app and just go, and which your download will be a little bit less. And then as well as the videos, guys, videos are very important. So videos will explain about what your apps is about in detail, and the user will know what is the app about, which will encourage them to download more. So guys, besides that, I would also like to tell you that you have to do a different image. You have to set a different image for the iPad or for a big screens. Like as you can see, this image is pretty big image here. Yeah, this image here, you can see it's a see this image you have to set so that the image can be seen in the bigger tabs as well. So this is how the Play Store works. Along with that, you can see this is the description. So guys, in the description your you have to, like, you should mention the proper description about your app, about what is it about, so that the user can really know detail about your descriptions. So although in your keywords really matters in this app description, so you can put certain keywords which will help your app to rank in your for in a app store, in a Google App Store. So besides that, you can see the reviews. So they have almost more than 3 millions of reviews, and then they have the 4.4 ratings of the 4.4 ratings, which is pretty good. Actually, your app should always have above 4 ratings, which will allow your app to rank above in a Google Store. Besides that, you can see there are a lot of comments. See, Amazon being a very huge company, also they are engaged with their people, users. They're responding back. So guys, engagement and responding to the users comment is very, very important. Amazon being such a big company, also they're responding, means of course everyone should respond to their app, so that user will immediate response will allow users to have a good experience with their app. So guys, yeah, generally this is the important thing for Amazon, as you can see. So I will be showing you the Amazon app in Apple Store. See guys, Apple Store is also pretty similar. You can see there's a title of the company, but what makes here difference is we have a subtitle here. See guys, as you can see in Apple Store we don't have any subtitles, but the difference between Amazon and Google Play is that they have a app. So they have a they have a subtitle here in the below. See guys, but besides that, everything is same. Their company name is them, but the category of the Apple is shown here below. And then besides that, everything is all similar. The images also matter. And then see, but guys, as you know, in Apple Store the image for the iPad was in the particular area only, but in Amazon Apple app you can see there have been segregation done between iPad and iPhone. See, this is big images for iPad, and these are the small images you have to make for iPhone. So there are like two different kind of images you have to form for iPad and iPhone. This is only the difference. Besides that guys, even description matter. So although in Apple Store your description, even if you put keywords in description, that doesn't matter, but that doesn't mean like you just don't put any keywords. Proper description is always required. Besides that, you can see there are ratings, reviews, as always. They are also totally engaged with their audience. So guys, yeah, this is it. It's pretty similar. I will be making further videos in my detailed video about how can you optimize your how can you use your keywords in your descriptions, your subtitles. I'll be making a more detailed video where you'll be more clear about it, and where you'll have like more clear picture about the apps. So guys, this is it for my today's videos. I would like to thank you all guys for being with me in my entire video, and then in my next video I will be showing you the detail about how can you use your title, your description, your subtitles, and how can you use your keywords for overall app optimizations. And then guys, I would also like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and then also press the bell icon so you can get the latest updates about our easy tutorials videos. And also guys, I will be sharing all the required links in the below description. So guys, till then, stay tuned and have a nice day. Thank you.